In today's video, I'll teach you how to compare cars on cars.com. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cars.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of cars.com. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to compare the cars, what you can do is simply hover over the research option. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for tools at second, you'll be able to find this option for compare cars. All you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to compare the cars side by side. You can see over here, you'll have to add the first car and second car over here. So first of all, choose a make of the first car. Click on the field of make. Now after you do that, choose the make over here. Likewise, what you have to do is choose a model. Now after you do that, also choose the year. Now likewise, you'll also have to add the second car. What you have to do is choose the make. Likewise, choose the model. Now choose a year. Now click on this option, see the comparison that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the comparison between the two cars. You'll also be able to see the prices over here. If you would like to see all the details of the car, you can click on this option, see all results. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the details and listings over here. Likewise, you can also compare other cars. For that, you can simply click on this option, add new car. After you do that, you'll be able to add the new car by choosing the make, model and year. After that, you'll also be able to add this car to the comparison. So like this, you'll be able to compare more than two cars too. So that is how you compare cars on cars.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.